What if I told you the real skill that separates profitable traders from the rest isn't strategy, indicators, or even experience? It's patience. The ability to wait calmly while everyone else is reacting emotionally. Today, we're going to dive deep into why patience is your most powerful weapon in trading, how to develop it, and how it can completely transform your results. Most traders lose money not because they don't understand the market, but because they can't sit still. They jump into trades too early. They close positions too soon. They second-guess their plan. And it all comes down to one word: impatience. You see, trading is the ultimate psychological game. It punishes impulsive behavior and rewards discipline. But the problem is, our brains are wired to want action. We crave that dopamine hit when we click buy or sell. It feels like we're doing something. But in trading, doing less often means earning more. Let's be honest, being patient in trading is painful. You spend hours studying setups, waiting for the perfect entry, and then the market almost hits your zone and reverses. You're tempted to chase it. You think, if I don't enter now, I'll miss it. But that's the trap. Because what usually happens? You enter early, the market retraces, you panic, you close in loss. Then it moves exactly where you expected. After you're out. That's the emotional roller coaster every trader faces. The truth is, patience isn't just about waiting. It's about waiting with discipline and confidence, knowing that no trade is better than a bad trade. Think of the great traders, whether it's Paul Tudor Jones, Jesse Boyta, Jesse Livermore, or modern retail traders who've built consistency. They all share one thing in common. They wait for their A-plus setups. They know exactly what they're looking for, and they don't settle for anything less. It's like a sniper waiting for the perfect shot. One clean opportunity can make their week, sometimes their month. I'll give you a quick example. I once waited 3 weeks for a perfect Euro USD setup to line up on the higher time frame. When it finally hit, the trade played out beautifully, with minimal stress, minimal drawdown, and solid profits. Compare that to the times I forced trades out of boredom. Those almost always ended in regret. Patience isn't just a mindset, it's a strategy. All right, so how do you actually train yourself to be patient? Here are 4 practical methods that work. Have a written trading plan. If you know exactly what your entry, stop loss, and target look like, it becomes easier to wait. Impatience thrives in uncertainty. Clarity kills it. Journal every trade. Write down how you felt before entering. You'll start to see patterns. Most impulsive trades feel different. The more you become aware of that, the easier it is to stop. Set alerts and walk away. Don't stare at charts all day. Waiting doesn't mean watching. It means trusting. Let the market come to you. Shift your focus from outcome to process. Stop obsessing over profits. Focus on executing your plan perfectly. When you measure progress by discipline instead of dollars, patience becomes natural. Here's something most traders never realize. Being patient doesn't mean being passive. It means being selective. It's the difference between a professional and an amateur. Professionals trade their plan. Amateurs trade their emotions. When you master patience, you stop chasing money and start attracting it. Because every trade you take aligns with your edge, your plan, and your mindset. Here's the thing about patience that most traders never understand. Being patient doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing the right thing at the right time. Patience isn't weakness. It's strength under control. Most people think successful traders are the ones who know the most, but in reality, they're the ones who can wait the longest. Professionals don't chase. They don't panic when price moves without them. They don't need to prove anything to the market. Why? Because they understand that the market will always come back, but your emotional capital might not. Every time you take an unnecessary trade, you're not just risking money, you're draining focus, energy, and confidence. Patience is what protects all 3. You know what changes everything? When you stop asking, when will I make money? And start asking, when will I master my behavior? Because once you master yourself, the profits follow naturally. The market starts to feel slower. You stop forcing things, you stop needing to be right, and you start acting like the trader you've always wanted to be. The truth is, trading success isn't found in a strategy. It's found in your ability to wait, to trust your process when it's uncomfortable, to stay calm when nothing's happening, to hold your winners instead of grabbing quick profits, and to let time, not emotion, do the heavy lifting. That's patience, that's discipline, that's mastery. So the next time you find yourself staring at the charts, tempted to jump in, remember this. The best traders aren't reacting to the market. They're responding to it, with patience, with confidence, and with control. Because in trading, the goal isn't to trade more, it's to trade better. And sometimes, the most profitable move you can make is no move at all. Voiceover on camera. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and remember, your edge only works when you do.